Hey, what's up guys, Hassan here. In this video today we compare two best smartphones, which is Realme C55 versus Realme Narzo N55. So let's see the full video. Display comparison, display type, display size, has resolution, PPI density, always on display, aspect ratio, screen to body ratio, refresh rate, display brightness, storage comparison, has RAM, has memory, card slot, design comparison, body weight, body dimensions, SIM slot, body color, body front side, body back side, body frame, platform comparison, has chipset, processor, graphic unit, operating system, rear camera comparison, rear camera megapixel, rear second camera megapixel, has LED flash, has HDR, has panorama, has video records, selfie camera comparison, selfie camera megapixel, has HDR, has video records, connectivity comparison, has NFC, has Bluetooth, has Wi-Fi, has GLONASS, has Galileo, has GPS, has BDS, has infrared port, has radio, USB connectivity, battery comparison, battery type, battery capacity, battery charging, sensor comparison, fingerprint, accelerometer, gyroscope, compass, proximity, sound comparison, loudspeaker, 3.5 mm jack, feature comparison, has LTE, has GSM HSPA, has announcement, price comparison, His price USD. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and make sure to subscribe. Packages compare.